Welcome to AUAV A70 online course. In lesson 4, we'll teach you how to draw the field boundary and generate the flight path. So this will guide drone's route and ensure full coverage during the mission. I'll walk you through how to set up a new field and create accurate boundaries for your agriculture operations. Let's begin. On the home page, tap Plan Field. You will see 3 options. The most commonly used method is called remote controller planning, which lets you draw the field boundary directly on the base map. RTK planning requires the RTK module and dropping boundary points as you walk the field with the controller. Aircraft planning means flying the drone to each point and make it from the air. In this video, we'll use the simplest and the most common method, remote controller planning. Let's tap it to begin. Select Map Planning from the first drop-down list. In the second drop-down, choose Field to draw a polygon boundary. The flight route will be created automatically. Tap Add to start placing boundary points. If you choose Free Navigation Route, you will manually pick a series of points to form the flight path. You can also draw obstacles for the drone to avoid or fly over. Use round obstacle or circular objects like power poles, and polygon obstacle for larger or irregular areas. There is another option called non-application area, which tells the drone to fly through that zone without spraying or spreading. Click on Finish for each polygon obstacle or non-application area. Click on Save, and it will let you input the name of the field. After saving the field, click on Division button, and you would be able to divide the field by clicking and dragging the point or rotate the button on the left. If you use the Field Division button, the 2 separate files will be generated and stored in the field list, which you can access from the home page later. So let's continue with the original field. Click on the Edit button. You could change the route features. Under Route, uniform indentation lets the same margin width along all field boundaries. One-sided retraction lets you adjust the margin on a single edge if you need different spacing on one side. Swath width controls the spacing between each pass of the drone. Obstacle margin sets how much buffer space the drone keeps around marked obstacle areas. Turn back or detour lets you choose how the drone maneuvers when an obstacle is close to the boundary. Sweep lets the drone fly the boundary either at the start or end of the job by clockwise or counterclockwise pattern. You can also choose Sweep only and set multiple boundary sweeps if needed. Tap any waypoint to adjust its radius. For polygon fields, you can also click and drag points to reshape the boundary. You can precisely adjust each point using the adjustment panel on the left. Selecting a point also lets you add a new point before or after it, or delete the point entirely. Select an obstacle and set its height. The drone will automatically fly over it with the entered flight height, which is the buffer space. Route split is used to cut and isolate any section of the flight route. Course offset is used to shift the entire flight path in any direction. Start point chooses where the drone will enter the field by selecting any vertex as the starting point. First, this function can rotate the flight path using the wheel or the plus or minus button on the left. Once all adjustments are complete, you can save the new field or override the original ones. Click Invoke to send the drone up immediately, or access saved flight path later from the home page under Field. Thank you for watching. This completes the final step. We hope this lesson will help you plan and execute the flight with confidence.